Hey guys, I hope everyone is well. I did a nice video yesterday. Some of you guys may have viewed it. After 7 minutes, apparently the audio went out for some reason. So I need to ensure that doesn't happen again. So I had some good content there. So I deleted that and I'm going to roll through it again. Better still I did it today because another two gold shorts just absolutely murdered TP. Okay, for me and the team. Other associates have been doing quite well as well this week. I think we're on 700 and something pips now because GA went through the roof as well yesterday, which I'm just going to pull up real quick because a few points on this video I'm just going to roll through. So GA is, I did a zoom on Monday and then I went through GA from top to bottom. I went through 4 time frames and absolutely murdered the hell out of every inch of the market maker price. And yeah, the thesis was long. Okay, there's another chart as well somewhere. Let me pull that one up, which we can start on just for our, where's the macro? The macro is already here. 1 second. I've just woke up right now. Currently 1:57 a.m. Okay, so going into Asia right now. So what I stated very clearly the other day when we were here, I broke it down from weekly, daily, okay, 90 minute, 33 minute, this, that, and the other. I think my friend in the Zoom, I think he was short, so I told him, you know, what's really going to go on. There was various areas of volume, okay, where we had implements of seed 1, seed 2, seed 3. Semi-seed 4 came off huge area of volume again, tapped multiple confluences on various time frames, and I said what we need to do is take out 1, 2, 3, and 4. And guess what's happened today? And we've hit 9400, and I left. I'll speak about that later. 9400 has been tapped, and we took out all of these areas. What GA is now going to do is 4, but I've finished now. I am completely finished with currencies. 2024, I've completed that game. And I'm now only moving on to gold. I'm only going to be trading gold because of the institutes that I'm working with are only gold traders and they need my help. So I need to put all my focus into that, which is a beautiful time. Okay, so anyway, GA went through the roof. Beautiful target was smashed and achieved yesterday. It is going to roll around now, but I'm not interested in that. It was 138 pips. Let's close that horrible chart. Okay, so what we got going on, my friends? Let's have a look. First and foremost, I'm going to go through like a sheet that I do in my group, yeah, and also more importantly on my folders and in my office. So gold right now on the day, what we've seen is 1, 2, 3 come up into a standard abbreviation of a fib, and then we've came in. There's a huge volume area, which is a weekly volume here, and I did mention, I think it was Monday. If any of you guys joined that Zoom, I was really tired. It was 9-10 p.m. my time. We came through one of the half regions of volume 20 and 39, and we snapped that yesterday. We came through again. Now we're kind of on the bridge. I feel gold's at a cross reference point, and I'm just stepping out the game for a few hours. I'm going to come back later in London, I feel, to see what's going to go on. So what can happen here is we can come off this like area of squash volume at 2005, 2006, and start to revamp and revisit and maybe come back to the upside, or we can just completely take out this area excuse me, and we can roll in 100% 1973 if momentum continues to downfall. Then I reckon we could, I don't know, I take one step at a time. I take one session at a time. That's why I'm so successful at what I do now, is because I know when to stop, I know when to start, I know when to and what to view, I know what to stay away from, and I know which areas of liquidity and volume in the market I need to put my thoughts and energy into, and then make that happen. So that's that. Right now there's not too much going on there, so let's look at the smaller areas. Now first and foremost, guys, let's just look at New York High there. I've had, I think it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shorts this week, I think it was, or 6. I'll show you guys in a moment. Okay, so anyway, yesterday a lot of people were going long, short, this, that, and the other. So what I can tell you is this, okay, and I posted this yesterday, and I'll show you that again in a minute. I'll do all of this for educational purposes. Okay, sorry. So we came in and we slapped here, okay? My entry was 2028, sorry. Rolled through, okay? Huge area of volume here. We played around in this. Retapped it, retraced, bang, came through, tapped it again. Okay, put this shitty little trend line on. I don't even call them trend lines, to be honest. I'm not a little IG boy. But anyway, we came in, and then even after this count, there was various entries, and then boom, we sunk. Okay, my target was 2010, and then we had 27 over that. I told everyone in Discord the other day, I said, guys, I'm going to sleep, and what I need to do, put your take profit at 2013, number one. Okay, just in case gold goes crazy. Okay, so you're gonna, you know, aspire to make something every week. I'm probably one of the only people in the world that can actually guarantee you, if you follow me, I can guarantee you that you are going to win on gold every single week and walk away with something. Okay, in 3 months I've had only break-even trades, 4 of them, and 2 this week, or 1 was this week and 1 was last week. That's it. I haven't had stop loss on gold. I can't even remember. I think it was October. I think it was October when I first came here, when I first came to Vietnam. So, anyway, so I got a few messages there. Anyway, we came through, and now we need to see where we're going next. I feel if you look at the 90-minute, my friends, what we actually came through yesterday, let me just show you something quite good. Look at this. So we have 1, 2, and all these are diversions of sessions. So we came into New York low, New York again. Here came into the previous New York lows, and now right now, I was at New York yesterday, New York, so we got New York low, New York low, New York low. So New York is playing the major lows, or Chicago is playing the major lows. So what I see now is we've come back above, and for me 2007, 2008 was a critical area of value, and we've came back above it. What we can maybe see now on gold is a push into 2023 and back into Chicago highs, because we also got Asia, we got London, we got Chicago, all melted around 2033. So what I'm thinking is gold can now push into 2033. But anyway, we cross that bridge when we come to it. What I say to people is this, because I count the hours, I put timers on for when my mind is, you know, on job. 56 hours it took me to gain 480 pips on gold in 5 trades. Okay, I backed off because I know when to stop, and this is what people don't know to do. You have people trading 4 or 5 currencies and they can't even master one. I can tell who's successful and who isn't. I've already told you on multiple audios, especially on the Discord, is that all these people you see online are not who you think they are. Okay, I can call meta quotes right now. I already have, by the way. Spoke to one of the guys in meta quotes, and I've pulled up a few things that are quite funny. Okay, regarding some of your top IG guys' posts and profiles, and they're not doing exactly what you think and they say they're doing. I'm not going to get into it because I'm onto a bigger spectrum now. But what I'm saying to you is this: if you make 400 pips in 56 hours. Okay, and you put your mind to it at 2 days, just over 2 days, okay, seven sessions, and you're still trying to trade different currencies and different instruments, this, that, and the other. You're just chasing the wrong boat, mate. To be honest, it's not going to happen, you know. And then you've got people out there preaching online, oh, Forex, this, that, and the other. You have to have a team around you. People in workshops, like, you have to have a team around you. This, that. No, you don't have a team, bro. Forex isn't a team game, bro. You got one loser teaching 6 more. You've all lost the plot. I think that I told you one of the biggest things for me was coming all off social media, off everything, and putting my brain into this game to be the best I can be, and not getting distracted by all the bullshit. I could have sold 1 million prop fake funds if I really wanted to, but I hate that shit. That's the worst thing ever. You got all these people just faking it, man. It's pretty terrible, and people are just trying to do these motivational speeches and stuff, and you're actually falling for it. It's like, mate. So the reason I'm only trading gold now is this: is because I'm best at gold, and also I'm about to capitalize off some of the major institutions that want my help, and they're only gold traders. So now I'm putting all my focus into that. Basically, this delete, yeah. Okay, so basically, gold. I think we can have a run up into 2033, and then yesterday's beautiful one. This was yesterday, the most recent one. Look at the entry on this. Look at the execution. Okay, everything I do is pinpoint, and as you can see, it's to the pip, and actually it's on the wick. But look at how proficient the look at this shit. Oh, look at how proficient, doesn't show on there. But at the time, the proficiency came from, because the market's now led through it. It was, if I just show you the 3 minute quickly, guys. It came in here. Bang, and as you can see there, the volume is now cut down exactly at that point, and now it's cutting back up. So what I'm trying to say and suggest here is that ultimately, guys, and it's people still trading it in the Discord now after I said, if you follow my lead, okay, and it's busting my voice off trying to help people. I don't even need to do this. I don't even need to do this, believe me. But if you've 56 hours Monday to Tuesday, which is very rare actually, it's a rarity that you can find such good moves like this on a Monday and Tuesday. As soon as market open at Asia, I was straight in, bang bang short. It's a rarity, but if you make 400 pips in 2 days, you need to chill out and stop going for next pair, because I can tell who's a winner and who's a loser. My clairvoyance in this market is insane. That's how I run this. Semi-clairvoyant, and I can see, and the technicals are only just a speck of information for me. And I can see exactly who's winning, who's losing. There's people who I was telling they were buying gold, and I was telling them to sell and showing them exactly why it's going down. Like GA, some other people were trying to sell at that time. I said, no, this is what it's going to do. It's going to go up, and it went up. I have a high win rate. I would say 99% of my trades are winners now, and I am thankful. My information comes through here, so different stories, guys, different chapters. Anyway, I'm coming back on Monday with another video. I'm just gonna have a day off. I've got a few more things to build it in my house. I've got a few things to do over the weekend. I've got to fly out of the country for a little while and then I'll come back and bounce. But anyway, moral of the story: price action, support and resistance, it's all BS. You're listening to BS people all the time, and that's why you got BS results. You've all got BS results. Your mentors have as well. I've checked on them through meta quotes. I'm not going to mention any names because again, I'm not here for any beef with some worms. As I told you, I'm taking my gold and I'm taking it to, well, that's it. That they want me. So I said, okay, cool. I'm going to show you guys what's good, and they're already mind blown. They're like, shit, okay. So I'm looking to raise a lot of capital this year. A hell of a lot. And when I say a lot, I'm not talking 20, 50 mil. I'm talking a lot. Okay? But that's my goal. Well, that's not my goal. It's what's happening already. Half the stuff's already signed. So that's that. Enjoy your retail game. Stick to one thing. Master one thing. And know when to stop. Take money out. Have a good weekend. Stop chasing your head. Have a good life. Keep joining the Instagrams and the workshops where you're giving motivational speeches about being a team, and you need a team to trade forex and have people around you. You don't need a team. You've got it completely backwards. You need to get the fuck out. That's what you need to do. Turn the fucking Instagram off. That's what you need to do. You're lost, mate. Keep it up though. You got some good acting going on. I love it. Not. All right, anyway, see you guys soon, yo. Peace out.